Here you go, folks. We have a super neat 1925 Model T. This is the enclosed coupe. I'll get Danny to crank her up here and show you how she's doing. Look at there. This is electric start. See her running there. It's got the horn. She's a runner and driver. This thing has been totally restored and looks great. Super neat machine. We're going to put it in the showroom. This was frame off restored. And today here in Georgia it's really cold, so she cranked up and she's running. You can see her driving there. Look at that, reverse working. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. We love finding neat old machines like this. What you got there is a running and driving 1925 Model T. You got to kind of know how to drive these things. You can't just get in there and, you know, ride around in it if you don't know what you're doing. So this little baby's running and driving good. Here comes Danny backing up again. Pretty nifty. We're going to put it in the showroom. Want to get a video of it cranking and running and driving. If you have any questions on this thing, give us a call at 770-345-0282, or you can see us on the web at CHEROKEEAutogroup.com. Hope you enjoy it.